How you doing, everybody? I'm Pauly with Off Leash Canine. Today we're here with DALTREY. DALTREY, say hi. DALTREY is an 8-month-old corgi who was brought to me by his family for a 2-week board and train. What they're wanting from his board and train is for him to listen and be obedient. So we've had a couple days with him so far. The original videos I had got corrupted, so unfortunately I don't have those. But I'm going to tell you a little bit of how he was when he first got here. His family can attest to this, is he didn't listen to anything. He did what he wanted to do, when he wanted to do it, how he wanted to do it. Trying to get him to recall was ridiculous. He didn't want to do anything. He looked at me, he knew his name, but he didn't come to me. He looked at me and walked the other way. Down was another issue in of itself. He would not go down for anything. I had to keep working him and gaining his trust to get him to realize that he can go down. So he does that. You'll see that in the video. His healing, he was all over the place. Little boy here couldn't really tug you. He did tug, but his biggest thing with me personally was his going in and out. Hopefully I can get those videos back up and get those part of the video. Other than that, enjoy all he can do. Thank you.